Alright, I want to talk really quickly about converting between units. Now, I'm just going to use one example to go over this because the idea is really the same no matter what units you're going through, and you can kind of look at these problems in several different ways. You'll always have your unit conversions with you on your formula chart, so you don't need to worry about memorizing them, and if they don't give them to you there, you will have them in the problem, like the one we're about to look at here. So let's take a look at this. Caesar drove his car to Mexico to visit some relatives. The speed limit sign on the freeway said 110 kilometers per hour, but the speedometer on his car is calibrated in miles per hour. So how fast should he drive if he wants to avoid a speeding ticket if 1 kilometer is 0.62 miles? Now, some of you could be thinking, oh, well, this is an easy multiplication problem, but I want to just show you the way they want us to kind of look at this. And so we're going to look at it if I was going to be in a table where I have my kilometers right here, and I have my miles over on this side. I know that 1 kilometer is 0.62 miles. So if I was going to write an equation for this, and I'm saying, what did I do to 1 to turn it into 0.62? Well, I did 0.62 times 1. Because every kilometer I have is going to be that many miles. So that's going to actually let me write the equation for this is y equals 0.62x, where I can now take any amount of kilometers that I have, put it in for x, and it's going to give me the amount of miles. So I'm looking at, okay, well, I have 110 kilometers. Let's see how many miles that's going to be. So I plug it into my equation, and now I'm just doing a quick multiplication. Now, like I said, some of you may have seen that, oh, I just need to multiply 110 times 0.62. That's great if you see that, but I just wanted to show you why you are seeing that, and that's looking at the equation behind this. So multiplying this out here, 0.286. Now remember, it's not dropping down the decimal point, it's counting how many digits are behind. I have 2 digits behind decimal points, so I need 2 digits behind in the back, and I should go somewhere in the neighborhood of 68.2 miles per hour, and that's my unit conversion. So things to get out of this, it is usually just multiplication, but setting up a table like this right here, that's what we're going to see in some of the problems that we work with, and that's going to show you why you're multiplying, how you're multiplying.